This is Discovery Dream Homes. We're a packaged home company that designs and manufactures everything from 500 square foot bunkies to 7,000 square foot estate homes. Each design is created with 3D technology and 360 virtual tours. We provide precision cut materials for reduced build time. Buyers and builders will obtain dozens of construction components all from one source. Building a log home feels kind of like Lego for grown men, or women of course. The beauty of a log home is that logs provide both structural integrity and insulation. Energy efficiency is derived from thermal mass, which means logs actually stay warm for a long time. Logs are also a natural, renewable, and sustainable material, and there's actually much less impact on the environment from a manufacturing standpoint. The logs simply go from the forest to the factory to the job site. Our designs are quite environmentally friendly. Whether it's a log home, timber frame, a conventional build, or a new home with structurally insulated panels known as SIPs, we can also design to have net zero standards. You can imagine that when building so many homes, our economies of scale offer significant cost savings. Our designs are quite environmentally friendly. We provide logistics and coordinate builds throughout Canada, the US, and even internationally. Some of our most valued benefits are customer service, high-quality designs, and building materials. We also supply garages, boathouses, gazebos, commercial buildings, and even multi-unit homes. Architectural designs range from contemporary, craftsman, A-frame, rancher, Cape Cod, modern, to a wide variety of custom builds. We have designed and delivered hundreds of homes, and we deliver on time and on budget. Check out our website, social media platforms, or call us anytime.